You're from Algeria, right?
Algeria? What makes you think that?
Yeah. You look like Algerian, yeah.
Yeah,
Can you speak Chinese?
a little bit.
You want to teach you some more?
Yeah, just teach me anything.
Anything. It means 什么都可以。
什么都可以 That means anything.
对，你的头发很长。Your hair is long.
你的头发很长。
很长。
哦。
You can speak Chinese. Your accent is perfect, man.
I don't speak Chinese, man. I only been here for a few months.
你叫什么名字？
What it means? Ni, I understand ni. Ni is you. But what is the rest?
你叫什么名字？
你叫什么名字？
你来自哪里？
你来自哪里？ Yeah, what it means?
Hell, man. Your accent is perfect. I don't think so. You don't understand this word.
My accent is perfect?
Yeah.
Maybe I got some talent.
Where are you from?
Afghanistan.
Really?
Yeah. You from Afghanistan too?
No, I love Afghanistan. What do you think about Taliban?
I'm trolling with you. Actually, I'm Chinese.
You're Chinese?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Bro, you confused me, bro.
我其实真是中国人。
真的？
真的。
你是中国哪里？
你觉得呢？你对中国了解吗？我有可能是来自中国哪里的？
新疆。
对呀，哎呀，太厉害了。Yaxshimsiz. Damn, bro, 你还会说这个
I know a lot of words, but I forget it. Hey, bro, you jump from Algeria to Afghanistan to China to what the hell, bro.